What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Neek, man, and I'm checking back with another video, man. Like I said, I'm a little mixed up with my channel and stuff. Not mixed up in a bad way, but what I'm saying, bringing a little more kind of different topics to my channel and stuff. So, I'm back again. Got another unboxing. So I just got a recent Nike pickup, man, from the Nike app. Grabbed me a pair of shoes, man. Got a nice little exclusive and stuff. Ain't too big, it ain't like no Jordan or no rare exclusive shoe that, you'll never see. It's kind of rare though, because it's a little different from the traditional norm. But, at the same time, it's a nice little pickup. I was able to get it for retail, and I ain't have to do all that extra, finding a reseller and all that stuff. So I'm about to get to the unboxing and let y'all check it out and see what I grabbed. All right, y'all, here we go. See, straight from Nike. This is something I noticed that they've been putting on their boxes, man. My last couple packages from Nike came like that in this box and stuff. I don't know about what these numbers and all that shit mean, but it is what it is. So I'm about to try to do all this with one hand. Don't laugh at my struggle. Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. Sick. Nike used to give me receipts, man. They don't give me no proof of purchase receipt or none, even though it's all on my app. But but anyways, this is what y'all here for. The shoe, here you go. Nike Air Force One, white on white / gum, light brown bottom, size 10.5. That's what I wear in Air Force One. So in Forces I wear 10.5, because once you wear them, they stretch and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? So got a 10.5 in this joint. So time to pull this baby out. I gotta use my little, you know how it is. Gotta use my packaging box as a stand. So y'all can check me out. All right, here we go. Air Force One. All right, here we go. Nike Air Force One. Traditional gray Nike Air Force One box, nothing special. This the label. I showed y'all that before. This the label packaging. Ooh, traditional tissue paper, nothing special. I'm sure y'all seen this a million times before, but I don't know. I ain't never noticed that little label on there, but it is what it is. Ooh, crispy, man, oh man, can't never go wrong with a pair of crispy all white on whites. Look at that. Yeah, these classic, real clean. Nike Air in the bottom. Come with your little Air Force One tab on there. Ooh, look at that. Butter. I love a nice classic Air Force One, man. Especially with the gum bottom. The black gum bottoms and the white gum bottoms, man, these are my favorite. I love these. I also like the clear soles, but, clear soles usually always end up being a women exclusive, so us guys don't ever get lucky to get the all whites with the icy bottom. But, I mean, they make them in men's too, but shit, you see them in women's more than anything. Nike Air on the heel tab. Just a classic, man, traditional Air Force One, man. You know what I'm saying? Nothing really special or outrageous about this, but, you don't never see too many with the white gum bottom, so. I'm gonna sit this one to the side. Let's see what this other one looking like. Ooh, man, nice and buttery. Nice and buttery. Yeah. Yeah, that mug nice. Love it. Crispy clean, man. Can't go wrong with a pair of white on white Forces, man. Stumping in the Air Force Ones. So yeah, I gotta do my little display and put them boys up there. Whew. What y'all think, y'all? Good cop, man. right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, man. Just want to give y'all an update on my recent pickup, man. I just grabbed from the Nike app, man. This not the sneakers app. I got this from the Nike app, you know what I'm saying? So if you get on, download the Nike app. I got it out of the lifestyle section. So, classic clean pair, Air Force One, white on white low tops, man, with the gum bottom. So, this first time check your boy video out, man. Be sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, man. Join that Motor City crew, man. Stay tuned for more unboxings, as well as the updates I have, man, on my two builds, man, my 94 Impala SS, as well as my 95 Caprice Classic. So, once again, it's your boy Motor City Neek, man, checking out with a sneaker unboxing. I'll holla at y'all, man. Peace.